I'm Ron from Kolleno, your trusted partner for managing accounts receivable with NetSuite. In this video, I walked you through SuiteBilling subscription revisions and how to track changes made to your subscriptions over time. When you create, edit, or void a subscription change order in NetSuite, a subscription revision is generated. This revision will store all the individual modifications made to a subscription, including contract changes and revenue impacts. Revisions provide a full history of changes after the subscription's activation and track values of the entire contract term. So for example, every time you will modify a price plan or apply a discount, NetSuite stores this information within the revision. While subscription change orders can't be deleted, they can be voided, allowing you to maintain a visible record of changes without affecting charge amounts. So there's two ways to do it. The first is if I go on the subscription, on the lines subtab, I can view a subscription line. And then here under the subscription revision column, I can see the changes. And then you can click on them, for example, here on the change order. The second way is to go to the list of subscription change orders. So here, that's what I will do. I will go to transactions, subscriptions, view subscription change orders. So here I can choose one, for example, view. And here on the right, you can see all the subscriptions. So some of the important data that you will find in the subscription revisions after obviously you've subscribed to this channel to remain updated with Kolleno's latest tutorials. You have things like the change order effective date here. You have discount and price plan details, as well as revenue elements. You can see there's really a lot of columns that you can go have a look. You can see if it's been created from void, if the subscription changes resulting from a voided change order, for example. You can see the apply to change order, if it indicates if any line removed from a change order by clearing the apply checkbox. Just remember that if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would be super grateful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.